Hey folks, this is Jamie Oliver's 5 Ingredients Mediterranean Cookbook. So this is a follow-up to his Just 5 Ingredients cookbook he put out a while ago. So if, like us, you lead very busy lives and just the thought of cooking each night is a stressful experience, let alone actually doing it, then this book is really going to come into its own, because all the recipes here are simple, they're not complicated, and yet the results are extremely delicious. So if that made this sound like a sponsored video, it isn't. We did purchase this ourselves. We've just really been having a good time cooking these recipes. The book itself, obviously hardback, is really good quality. You can see how thick it is. There's a lot of recipes in here. The quality of the paper and the print is also marvellous, and the instructions themselves are very simple. There are some regional differences. The UK version has UK measurements, the US version has US measurements, but other than that, the actual recipes are the same. And there is a wide variety of different meals you can cook here, from salads, but they're not just boring salads, they are really tasty, to soups, pasta, vegetarian dishes if that's what you prefer, pies, parcels, seafood, fish, and a whole section on meat. So all my meat lovers out there will be very happy with those recipes. And also a whole bunch of extra information in here about the dishes themselves as well. So the 5 Ingredients Mediterranean Cookbook from Jamie Oliver, definitely one we recommend. We've been having a lot of fun with these recipes, and I hope you will too. Thanks for watching.